Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good at home. Today we will learn that how to convert numbers into expanded form and how to convert expanded form into numbers. First of all, we will learn that how to convert numbers into expanded form. This number is 2,756,321. So first we will write 2 as it is. Then we will replace all the other numbers present on the right side of the digit 2 with zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits on the right side of the 2 digit. So we will write 6 zeros in the place of these digits. Then we will put the sign of addition. The second digit is 7. We will write 7 as it is. Then we will replace all the other digits on the right side of the 7 digit with zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits on the right side of the 7 digit. So we will write 5 zeros on the right side of the 7 digit. Then we will put again the sign of addition. The third one is the digit 5. We will write the digit 5 as it is. Again, we will replace all the other digits on the right side of the digit 5 with zeros. We will put the sign of addition. The fourth digit is 6. We will write 6 digit as it is. Then we will replace all the other digits on the right side of the 6 digit with zeros. We will put the sign of addition. The fifth digit is 3. We will write 3 as it is. Then we will replace all the other digits on the right side of the 3 digit with zeros. We will put the sign of addition. The sixth digit is the digit 2. We will write the digit 2 as it is. Then we will put 0. Again, we will put the sign of addition. The last digit is digit 1. We will put digit 1 as it is. This is the expanded form of the number. Now we will learn that how to convert expanded form into numbers. We have 300,000 plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 1. So we will write only the first digits of all the numbers. In the first number, the first digit of is 3. So we will write 3 first. Then in the second number, the first digit is 2. So we will write 2. In the third number, the first digit is 7. So we will write 7. In the fourth number, the first digit is 6. So we will write 6. In the fifth number, the first digit is 9. So we will write 9. And in the last, the digit is 1. So we will write 1. This number is 327,691. This is your first activity. Write the numbers in expanded form. The second question is write the numbers that match the following expanded form. Copy these questions in your notebooks and answer them. This is your second activity. It is your home activity. Solve question number 10 and 12 on page number 7 in your notebooks. Thank you, students. God bless you.